Hi, my name's Abhay, and this is a quick demonstration of Feathr. Now, if you're interested in Feathr, you're probably looking for ways to grow event attendance and association membership. You've probably noticed that the world of traditional marketing is losing steam, and that modern digital marketing is where all of the momentum is. But the world of modern marketing technology is huge, complex, and difficult to select from. And properly implementing it is even harder. If there was just one tool that included the best marketing tech and tailored it for the needs of events and associations, well, that would be useful, wouldn't it? That's what Feathr is. It's one platform with everything you need to plan and execute your digital marketing. Here's how it works. This is an event in Feathr. Across the top, you can see the different campaigns that you can run for this event. Your ads overview shows you how your campaigns are performing. Here's an example retargeting campaign that's been running for a little while. Here you can see how well the campaign is performing, from impressions to clicks to conversions to ROI. You can also see the details of each conversion the campaign has earned. Each conversion listed here shows the entire path that this registrant took, from their first site visit to ad views and clicks to the final registration. To set up a new ad campaign, just click the New Campaign button. Choose the type of campaign, like retargeting, geofencing, or email list. If your ad creatives are ready, just add a few more details like who to target, where to send them, how much to spend, and what the campaign goal is. And in just a couple of minutes, your campaign is up and running. Another popular feature of Feathr is Invites. Invites is a digital referral program that turns your partners, like sponsors, speakers, and exhibitors, into vibrant promoters who spread the word about your event or association to their own audiences. It works by automatically providing each of your partners with custom marketing collateral, like email templates, landing pages, and banners that they can easily share. The first step is to use our template builder to build the collateral templates. Here's an example landing page template. It's easy to drop in text, images, videos, and most importantly, merge variables that will merge in partner information, like names, logos or headshots, booth numbers, and more. After that, just let all of your partners know about their collateral, and you'll have a small army of promoters telling their world about you. Once a campaign is launched, you can see which partners are actively promoting and how many conversions they've sent you, as well as measure overall performance across the entire campaign. There you have it, a quick look at two of Feathr's most popular products. Feathr gives you everything you need to do your best digital marketing and grow membership and event attendance. To learn more, visit us at feathr.co. Thanks.